Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So according to GoPro official website, GoPro Hero 12 Black offers significantly improved battery life. GoPro also claims that they have dramatically improved the power management system, whatever that is, but apparently Hero 12 Black should be able to record for like 70 minutes in 5K 60 frames per second. What's more, you should also get around 95 minutes in 5K 30 frames per second and over 2.5 hours in 1080p 30 frames per second, which is quite impressive if that's true. So in this video guys, I'm going to put GoPro Hero 12 Black to a test and I'm gonna do a battery test comparison. And I'm gonna compare it against GoPro Hero 10 and 11 Black using exactly the same batteries. And just for the sake of this video guys, I prepared 3 brand new GoPro Enduro batteries to make this test fair and square. These batteries in here have never been used, so they're gonna give me the best results. So GoPro Hero 12 Black managed to record for around 70 minutes in 5K 60 frames per second, which is exactly what GoPro promised on their official website. Now, in 5K 30 frames per second, Hero 12 Black records up to 90 minutes, which is like 12 minutes more than Hero 10 and 18 minutes more than Hero 11 Black using exactly the same battery. Sadly, in 4K 60 frames per second, it only records for around 1 hour and 26 minutes. The results are pretty much the same. Hero 12 Black lasted just a few minutes more than the previous models. In 1080p 60 frames per second, Hero 12 Black records for 1 hour and 42 minutes. It's slightly more than other models, but not by a lot. Though on GoPro official website, they claim that it can record for 2.5 hours in 1080p 30 frames per second. I tested it and Hero 12 Black recorded for 2 hours and 41 minutes before it completely ran out of battery. So you get like 20 minutes more than Hero 10 and I think 30 minutes more than Hero 11. So it seems that GoPro Hero 12 Black's battery life is better, but not by a lot. I think you should get around 10 to 20 minutes more depending on which camera model you have. It's also most noticeable in 5K resolution whether you shoot in 60 or 30 frames per second. Please bear in mind that this test only shows you how long you can record in a single continuous recording. I think in real life you'll record much shorter clips, ideally a couple of minutes long, so one battery can be enough for you for like few hours. On the other hand, if you want to record for more than that, then you're gonna need at least 1 or 2 extra batteries with you, and that's gonna be plenty. Alright guys, so I guess for today's video that's it. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe. This way you support my channel by a lot. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video.